What if a coin most people overlook, the 1973 D. Kennedy half dollar, could secretly be worth thousands of dollars? Not because it's silver, but because of condition rarity, elite-grade survival, and collector pressure. In today's high-end numismatic market, certain 1973 D. half dollars have crossed into four-figure territory, shocking even experienced collectors. The 1973 D. Kennedy half dollar occupies a fascinating position in modern U.S. numismatics. While millions were struck for circulation, only a microscopic fraction survived in truly elite condition. For advanced collectors, this coin represents a turning point era, post-silver pre-modern minting, where quality, not metal, defines value. High-grade examples are now aggressively sought, pushing demand far beyond what face value would ever suggest. The historical backdrop of 1973 adds depth to this issue. America was navigating post-Apollo optimism alongside economic uncertainty, and coinage reflected a shift toward mass production efficiency. The Denver Mint focused on volume rather than perfection, which unintentionally created today's rarity, sharply struck, flawless survivors. As a result, the 1973 D has become a benchmark coin for studying strike quality in the early clad era. As part of the Kennedy half dollar series honoring President John F. Kennedy, this coin carries enduring emotional and cultural weight. Though not tied to a single commemorative event, its continued production reflects Kennedy's lasting legacy. Collectors value this continuity, especially when paired with Denver Mint characteristics that differ subtly, but importantly, from Philadelphia strikes. Visually, the coin showcases a bold left-facing portrait of Kennedy with strong presidential gravitas. On exceptional examples, the hairlines are fully separated, the cheek is clean, and the fields show deep original luster. The reverse eagle, when fully struck, displays sharp talons, crisp shield lines, and strong feather definition, features rarely seen together on this date. Technically, the coin is a copper-nickel-clad issue with a solid copper core, weighing 11.34 grams and measuring 30.6. What elevates top examples is not the composition, but precision, uniform planchet thickness, mirrored fields in satin finishes, and near-perfect rim definition. These qualities separate ordinary pieces from elite collectibles. Rarity is driven not by low mintage, but by survival rate in pristine condition. While over 80 million were produced, fewer than a few dozen are known in ultra-high mint state levels. Coins graded MS-67 and above are extraordinarily scarce, making them centerpieces in registry sets and competitive collections. Condition plays a decisive role in value. Even a single contact mark or dull luster can cut value dramatically. True investment-grade examples show blazing cartwheel luster, no visible abrasions, and strong eye appeal. These are the coins that grading services certify at the highest levels, and the ones serious buyers fight over. Market demand has intensified as collectors shift focus from classic silver to condition rarities. In recent years, a sharply struck MS-67 1973 D has commanded prices near $2,450, while premium specimens with exceptional eye appeal have reached around $3,800 in competitive auctions. Even more remarkable are top population coins. A finest-known example with exceptional strike quality and surface preservation has reportedly changed hands privately for approximately $5,200, driven by registry competition and limited availability. These sales confirm that the market is willing to pay aggressively for the very best. Price growth has been steady rather than speculative. Unlike hype-driven modern issues, the 1973 D's value is anchored in population data and grading scarcity. Over the past decade, top-tier examples have shown consistent appreciation, making them increasingly attractive to long-term collectors. Collectors pursuing this coin should focus on certified examples from trusted grading services. Authentication and accurate grading are essential, as the difference between MS-66 and MS-67 can represent thousands of dollars. Always study population reports and auction archives before purchasing. Proper storage is equally critical. High-grade clad coins are vulnerable to spotting and environmental damage. Climate-controlled storage, inert holders, and minimal handling are necessary to preserve value. One careless mistake can permanently reduce a coin's grade and its market appeal. Acquisition strategies favor patience. Elite 1973 D-half dollars appear infrequently, often in major auctions or private transactions. Networking within numismatic communities and monitoring registry set sales can provide rare opportunities to secure a premium specimen. In conclusion, the 1973 D Kennedy half-dollar proves that rarity is not always about age or metal content. Its significance lies in historical context, technical excellence, and extreme condition scarcity. With documented sales ranging from $1,650 to over $5,000, this coin stands as a powerful example of modern numismatic value and a compelling target for collectors who recognize greatness hiding in plain sight.